Welcome to this new video. This video is regarding field parameters. So with the help of field parameters, we can change the values in the X and Y axis and we can get the result accordingly. So the example of this is here we are having a bar chart, and in the X axis we are having total sales as well as total quantity. In the y-axis, we are having sales and quantity, and in the x-axis, we are having month name, country, and the category name. So whichever values you want, you can change accordingly. So you can try that. We will go to the new page, and here we are first itself, we are going to go to the modeling. We are going to the new parameter, and we are going to take the field parameters. In the field parameters here, we are going to give the parameter as x-axis, and in the x-axis, we will be selecting the product category name, we'll be selecting the country, and we will be selecting the month name. If you want, you can give the customer name also. We will the customer name. So customer name will be lots of customers will be the name will be the it will be difficult to plot it in the bar chart. So anyway, we will take it also and we will create it, and we got a slicer, and the slicer be there like that, and this is for x-axis, and we will take another field parameter, go to modeling, and we will create a field parameter, and here in this field parameter we will write the name as y-axis, and in the y-axis, we will give the aggregate sum, that is the total quantity and the total sales. If you're having the profit, you can write it, you can select that also, and we will create a slicer for that. And now we will select a stacked column chart. And in this stacked column chart, we can select here we are having the x-axis, and just open this x-axis table. This x-axis table came because we created the field parameter x-axis. That's why this table came, and corresponding column also came. So you can drag this x-axis to this x-axis, and similarly this y-axis, you can drag it to the y-axis. So here it is not in a good formatted way. So you can go and format this. You can go to the formatting, and you can go and give the labels, and you can give the background also for the labels, and you can go to the general, you can go to effects, and you can have a border for it. And if you select the category name, of course the category name is coming, you can give the label little bit higher, and here you can select the sales as well as quantity. Here you can change it to country, you can change it to month name, you can change it to customer name. Customer name lots will be there. You can select the data labels also. You can format this x-axis also. You can go to the slicer setting, you can give it a style setting, and go to header and give the bold one. Then you can go to effects, you can give the border, and you can round the border to 15. You can just leave it like this. You can format it a good way. You can give the month name. You can select the category. Now you can do the same thing here. For that, you can just go to the format printer and just give it like so. So that's it. You can get the total sales with respect to the month name. You can get the total sales with respect to the country, with respect to the category name. You can get the total quantity also. So everything you can give it with the help of this field parameter. So hope this was a valuable video. Have a nice day.